What are the top 3 reasons to hire an Illinois car accident lawyer? Hi, I'm Josh Rorscheib. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Central Illinois. And in this video, I'd like to speak to the top 3 reasons that you should consider working with an injury lawyer for your car accident case. So first, on the whole, people who have a lawyer for their personal injury cases tend to recover more money. And I'll briefly speak to why. People who have a lawyer help them have a better chance of being able to prove their case, gather all the important evidence at the beginning of the case, of being able to identify all the different types of insurance coverage that might be available to help them with their claim, being able to prove their damages and identify all of the different types of damages that might be available to them. A lawyer can help you avoid common mistakes and pitfalls and tricks and traps that the insurance carriers and their adjusters might use to try to undermine the value of your case. And finally, a lawyer, if necessary, is ready to litigate your case for you. So the insurance company has more of an incentive to give you a better offer so they can avoid their own litigation costs. The second reason that you may want to work with an injury lawyer is that injury lawyers, a part of their practice is working on negotiating down reductions in your medical bills and the liens that would come out of your settlement. And in my experience, this can make a huge difference in the bottom line result to the client. And we keep track of what providers will reduce bills by how much and what is possible. And there are also certain statutes and theories of law we can use to reduce the amount that has to be paid out of your settlements. Because you see, for most clients, it isn't just the total settlement money that really matters. It's the net amount or the check to them at the end of the case. It's most important. And there are really 2 variables to how much a client will get at the end of the case. The first is, how big is the total settlement? But the second is how much of the settlement has to be paid out to satisfy all of your medical bills and liens. So an injury lawyer can really do a great deal to help you with reducing your medical bills and liens in most cases. So the final reason is when you're going through an injury, it's a very tough time in your life. And it can be confusing to deal with insurance companies and frustrating and stressful and at a time when you've already got enough on your plate. So the third reason to work with an injury lawyer is we can just make it a heck of a lot easier for you. So you can focus on the things that really matter in life, like your health, your recovery, your family, and getting back your life. So hey, I hope this information is helpful. If you have more information about car accident cases, please don't hesitate to reach out. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.